Ener malakan yam biya kamal kanur online TV channel. Kajan gwa seme te kon karash mi bikona ling rash mi judit mi bere which ka South Sudan kene Uganda. Chane ngaje no je Uganda tikare which ka South Sudan de niken dial la UPDF Uganda People Defense Forces. Te karash mi chikana kulat gwa seme mi gore jeno beje nywaka yekel ko biatan kon lat karodi en biya kula ngach. And wargora kai stark and tama kam kiir mayardit kan je Uganda kamandan en chalat wasame jenana gorono de nywa yekel mi jiram jidit kan war online TV channel gore jen wo jinder subscribe kadir notification bell de jetwan ko de lertiti de kan chwa mala shub kaji gwasanda na pai kalare bana matuwa tama bana jelin gwasame kalode chuje pero jeno bi subscribe kabi notification bell be jetwan Ler shalat gwasa me shalat no re which ka South Sudan kiir mayardit ka jure che jure Uganda ni ladi ni Uganda Uganda People Defense Force UPDF jure dana che jurka che ka jur ko ba Nuer ba ka benak re wi ka South Sudan che me shanen ka Nasser kan longashuk ka kobo ka gwasan ko kena content che ko ten no kan jorre ka ta jura kuma South Sudan kan deni UPDF men pai kan larantam men goro dong ba jaling take rwanti kan kalat goro ba galing UPDF take demand kim chicken kuma South Sudan take je me bi kuma South Sudan jako be wore shuka ki be ba jamaat an kuma Uganda kan gor kan $10.7 million $10.7 million la million de chop ke well dollar $10.7 million euro one long dong a billion shilling but a $10.7 million yo tete de kuma South Sudan ke jengne chicken kuma South Sudan jogo no go ne $10.7 million ko chika tung one long chicken kalare wi ka South Sudan ke jen gwa sa todame ko do badana cha ga jur ke ja kiir mayardit kana do badanan shakana ka jabare wi ka South Sudan chikana ladano ba ka yikchol ke $10.7 million akuma South Sudan and kiir mayardit che de ni Uganda che ga jako na ka shirke manchala yana wore kurmo roja me mishalat comedian do ba ko le nywa yekel chet ko ngai kon meno Uganda te ga tun walon telede naga na ka Congo naga na ka South Sudan naga na ka Rwanda ka Tanzania ka Kenya gente der ko central engine en gwada mo tiaga ko te ga border dial but wije dana che yar long gwada me South Sudan wije kon yar Kenya me Congo ko jen la jana ka bi na bi ken ko na ka kore ba ko mo ke yo jen dan let kana na me independent news shall CGT and Africa DNN Gwasame and the Uganda People Defense Forces UPDF is requesting $10.7 million to support its ongoing operation in South Sudan, according to local media outlet Daily Monitor. The funds are intended to cover operational and logistical expenses. Akane yo dialati to by European keten gor kan $10.7 million ti akane kateba tin koni ken kalat ba ka European ne de sheliu kwa kena content cha destroy keten cha yare wi ka South Sudan akane gor ken ka yoro ton na me mi chikene tej kuma South Sudan question one na biken kalwang kan yurti en kuma South Sudan kuma kiir mayardit gwan mi chikan chaglong no de ka dinde kan ka mo ka yo ke civil servant in conlet chike teacher chike police ni chike soldiers chike la dia kon le wi ka South Sudan tin kontin yo ken chikan ka jiga pai ngai yana gwa an wo shi kuma South Sudan la de ni dial ka la dial te ka fat wal jok chang real me jekana ka kore shu pointing nje Uganda ke kuma South Sudan chu kan jure kuma Uganda shirka menen yana mo gwata mene so na me kel mi bejbeja mat amana dian gwata mende kono nyoko milat kone ta danen chi kuma la kuma chi kuma Kenya she na jak kane to kaneti gulat kenen ode kan malikan nong re wika South Sudan kane to tin kan ga jagala ken ashir mengai kona gwanu nena Kiir mayardit let ke diala let this time let ke ko benefit kabne ko kien big benefit no candidate ko kwaran and cha chol re which ka South Sudan ki men cha jaga la envoy jaga ruto jen wudshale Ral Odinga minister Kiinyan Prime Minister Ral Odinga choko former Kiinyan Prime Minister Ral Odinga no chik chawore wika South Sudan chikemen cha jakaje and wo dare ta dan and ke kum South Sudan dare jogwich ko do badan and chikir mayardit che Dr. Macharte che je yen keje kana ta dan and chikum che tere rol ka keje so chiken guje no kum South Sudan go dak chayo jakan jen lo chawore wicha ka juban wale wore wiki juba ka do badan cha jogo jen obura ke kir mayardit ka do badan de mal der ben keje aja reason dan uga je ka South Sudan ke juba mendo dian gwas men Kenya point de chala do ken ni ka police ni ken ga jagre which ka South Sudan so take ke interest bo milet ken shirka menen yana magwada me ka jen maba me dian Kenya nen te gwada men te Uganda Kenya te ni jo gwada but ko jel na ren alla kan shwa ko wide so ken bo take ke interest bo magor kan bo ka South Sudan so chicken wuko te mal biken non ko de yen en kana kontila mediator tieten kon lat ka markam South Sudan karwade duno chicken non ko they are benefiting also from this so ene kurm la rode ku go benefiten cherkan ka jen kuma Uganda bo mite kurm to ka South Sudan biga benefit midit bikene je ko be te ka refugees to we den no blok bo ka no be te ka ala an economic South Sudan be jeg bone so biga ko kwang bikene yonial so kon diala to benefit mu ka anyok ba di ni ken ba ka jaga bu ko re wi ka South Sudan bika income di do bikene onyoko mon non kana so to diala ti lat ka in benefit mu we ka can we diality ne so chicken goro and South Sudan ba yiga stable ke bagwa ke batakamal so even though people are working to bring peace take ne de shije goro no they can mal they can nongre we ka South Sudan che menen kono so ntama che wudu me che jak no Raila Odinga che jako bi ke kana kir mayadi den wara we ke juba ko bi kan mal bi kan no so kangai kono gwanu tel mi shale mal kene di shal ke ji gatini ala ji gat Canadian content tin gwe kejen wo de South Sudan der tagamal but Canadian content jagamal ko we ka wonyam ke ba we jekko shigan bu goro be mal ben okay former Kenyan Prime Minister Ral Odinga met with South Sudanese President Salva Kiir in Juba on Friday to discuss effort to promote peace and stability in South Sudan and the wider peaceful and the wider region. Odinga expressed optimism about a peaceful resolution and reaffirmed IGAD's commitment to supporting South Sudan on its path to lasting peace. So, Emaldian lot kind of moganeti. So, these are all light, right? So, simple buying time. They say no, she got it. I'll teach a malay malbe. Cool enough for how long she got channel or damn maldereben. Tell them all we can know these people. Their interests are youth and content wakaka. That is it, no more. Right, so banaran la reality no umlet igad tell malabenong igad will never bring in a peace in South Sudan, in fact in East Africa community. Cause interest then Kelo is all about gaining something. Chicken lano they don't care about human being, they don't care about people of South Sudan, because if they care about them they should have stopped this war long time ago, but they want to prolong it so that they benefit from this war. So chiramangai kona so neme janana go de nywa yekel banyog lunjo kamado dien biat kamal bye bye.